Greetings traders, this is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, September 10th, 2013. The S&P 500 up for the sixth straight day. You have the S&P up 0.73%, the Dow up nearly 130 points, up 0.85%, with the NASDAQ up 0.6%, the Russell's up almost a full percent, with the banks up 0.7%. They're in the mix. VIX down nicely, down 7%, now below 15. You have gold off by 1.6%, silver off by more, by down 3.11%. Crude oil off by 1.55%. Commodities got smashed. US dollar break even. And you have transportation index up almost 2%. Very, very bullish. But you have the defensive sector, utilities, up 0.8%. And we had a gap up this morning in the markets. No lower shadow. And we closed at the day's high. Matter of fact, the last 4 to 5 minutes of the day was extremely bullish on some decent volume. But the thing I want to share with you here is we've gone up several days. Now we're coming to an area of support. We have resistance here, support here. Now that should act as resistance. And that's at 1685 number. Be watching that like a hawk. Could hit our head and drop. Let me show you a weekly chart. The weekly chart, we're down here, support, broken. Now support is acting as resistance on the weekly chart. Resistance right here. Now it's only Tuesday as far as the week is concerned. But gang, that area where we're at right now, the 1685, 1683 area, is a major area of resistance. It would be very easy to see here this market maybe pop up just a hair and then come crashing back down by week's end, staying below this major trend line that I just shared with you, and perhaps even going below the 1668 or the 1670 mark. This is where the swing high was. So that's something we are watching. Now, as far as gold is concerned, let's go to the daily chart. Big gap down, but we're gapped down to a support level. This could be a buy opportunity. Silver gap down. This is just nothing more than a bull flag. Could be another opportunity. If you go to the weekly chart, just kind of a high base on silver. Gold weekly chart, a slight little bull pullback. So really no significant selling. We do have a crossover on the MACD, so be cautious with that. Google up just a mere fraction. Let's go to a daily chart here, but we're up here very, very extended. We do have now a reversal pattern, and this is a hanging man, so this could start to drop on us. Apple come out with his new iPhone 5. It really disappointed. We had a big drop, down 2.28%, down nearly 3% at one point of the day. Just a nasty little drop. So, and we talked about this. We said once we dropped it here, we're going to rally, but we're going to find resistance, below this area. We found support here. Once that's broken, then it acts as resistance. Sure enough, that's what's happening. We did get a close below the 20-day moving average. The last time that happened was at the beginning of July. So it's a lot of weakness here. Facebook was off 1%. Giving us just a nice little bull pullback, nothing to be too concerned about. Might give us a buying opportunity. And then Microsoft up a whopping 2.32%. This big hook and a rally closing above the 20-day moving average. And I'll throw you a couple bones here. PII Polaris. This is on our Bull Stock Picks V newsletter. It comes out each week. This one, you're late to the party. It's up nearly 6%. MGAM, this one's up 5.5% today. Again, you're late to the party. These are not buys. CREE was up almost 5% today. These are just some of those on our bull list. We also had bear lists. AEM, this is the one I featured yesterday, down another nearly 4%. ISRG down, breaking down on down below 2%. One more VLO, another one, more than 1% drop here. So a lot of stocks out there on the Stock Picks V newsletter. Hope you can participate in that. And thank you to Miguel. It's going to be sitting in for me while you go down to Baltimore. So I hope to have a chance to meet some of you guys over there. If you're interested in meeting up on Saturday for a little coffee and talk a little shop, have a chance to meet each other, I would love to do so. Send me an email at des@groktrade.com. Share us with a friend. And right now, we're nearly at 5,000 fans and users and those people who like us on Facebook. 5,000. That's crazy. Take care, gang.